Now we have two-way mechanism. First, we design in Figma and then we can make it to the production. But with this latest update, whatever we have on the production or any other environment which we have access to, we can bring that code to the Figma and the design will get created by the Figma plugin in an editable way. Let's take a look on that. To install a Claude, so I'm using a Windows machine, so I will use this command to install the Claude. For that, I will go to the terminal. I will go on the search, type for the terminal and open it. Once it is open, I can run this command which we have here. I will copy it, go to the terminal, make a paste. Now I already have installed, so hence I will not install it once again. But once you do this procedure, it will ask you to authenticate yourself. And once it is done, you can able to access the Claude. So how the screen will look like? I will go back to the terminal and go to the folder in which I want to run Claude. So I already have one folder which is empty right now. So I will go to that folder first. So this is where the folder is. And let me go inside that folder. So now I'm inside Claude to Figma. So whatever get installed would be here and we will maintain this project. So I will type Claude. Okay, fine. So we will have a pro subscription for that. So it will ask for authentication. We will do that one quickly. Authorize. Now login is successful. Press enter to continue. And we can enter one more time. So now you can see we are inside this particular project and we have access to Claude. Now we will make the connection with the Figma. Okay, now we will install our remote Figma MCP first. So I will go to this site. I will put the link in the description below. You can scroll down and find this label called Figma. This is what we will copy. Go to our command line. So this is where we will make a paste. I have already done this thing, so hence it might not ask the authentication. But if it do ask, then you have to give an authentication. So what it says this, do you want to proceed? Yes, we do want to proceed with this one. Okay, so the Figma MCP server has been added successfully. So after installing MCP, remote MCP, we do have a message which says authentication. So let's do that part first. So I will go down, put /MCP. Let me remove all the other things so that, yep. MCP, hit enter. So first one, Figma remote MCP, need authentication. Authenticate. So it will open a browser window for us, and once it is done, our Figma will get authenticate. Let me go down, allow an access. Authentication successful, close the window, go back to the terminal, and now we are good here. Now we will install the plugin that we want to install here. Now we will install the actual plugin that is required. So I will go to this Twitter account, and this is what we need to copy. This will allow you to connect Code Cloud to the tools via MCP. I will go to the terminal and make it paste. If I have already installed, it will just highlight that I have already installed Figma at the claude-plugin-official is already installed. It is a part of that. Now, if I want to learn more about that one, I can always go back and go to this official site where it is mentioned how you want to install a plugin from the marketplace, and there is much more to that. Now the real magic begins. So we have all the setup which is required to turn the production code into editable Figma design. So I will close this tab and look at this one. So this is a production ready code which is in my local machine right now, and I will bring this to my Figma design. And I don't have any design as of now with this one. I will ask how many files do I have in this project. So it has one file which is index.html. Send this file to Figma. Now look at this. Now complete design is ready, which simply doesn't exist a moment ago. Now I can change the design the way I want to do it. It is completely editable, and we can push back the same design to the code. So I will do some of the changes here. So I don't want these images to be here. So I will remove the images one by one. And without the images, we want to push this thing. So now once it is done, it's all done. All I have to take the URL, copy links to this selection. I will go to the terminal, fine, and I will paste it here. And I can say update the design. So I will tell remove the images from the card, but keep the hero section image. And they are asking that do you want to make this edit to index HTML, and I want to say yes. And finally, our page is now updated. We don't have the image at the bottom.